didn't know too much about it, not about some information.
Oh, Jesus
right
Christ.
or the wrong man.
Sit my light in.
I don't remember giving him permission to come into you.
Oh, Stephen, they're coming this way though. What the f***? You're going up here.
That was worth it, wasn't it? That was so worth it, that manoeuvre.
Let's make a bridge from there because,
You know. What am I doing? Wow. Smooth move. What do you think you're doing? Blocking the junction, you idiot.
Forward, mate. Your phone, honestly. Okay.
See me, we're not.
Didn't even look. No one bothered looking.
I know where I'm going, love.
I've been here for 3 weeks. I just want to go home and see my family. He goes, I would check to make sure flights are flying at Colombia. I said to Tasha,
You're
hey,
over the
you could check
place.
the flights.
I wouldn't use from freaking out. There was like 10 things happening at once.
I use it freaking out.
No, I can freak out.
What the f***
It's
doing?
just count on the ground now if you want to see it.
Get back on the
Are you serious? Are you
Um,
drunk?
it reminds me of
that need the support, and in our
young people having mental
Dumbass.
problems. I think that it
car. I take you just turning. So I can hear the indicator.
Stupid taxi.
Until he cancels all the unilateral tariffs that he has imposed on their exports. And I don't know whether you've noticed, but China generally is known for playing the long game. Its leadership certainly seems to think
Okay, not quite sure what that was about.
This month that the Dow Jones Industrial Average has experienced
Okay.
since 1932.
Nothing.
That's not helpful.
On a 61 Derby Road.
Somewhere good, smash. And those somewhere good, smash.
On the wrong side of the
I was
road.
going to say, why do they always walk on the wrong side of the road?
Should we not be running this side?
You're meant to be running towards the traffic.
Oh, right. Ideally, do you know what? That is shocking parking. I think this. We've got some wonderful parking here from Mr. DPD, and this pair. Well, I guess I'll go and find a parking space because you lot seem to be all struggling. Well, I can't see any spaces. Unfortunately, there's no spaces here. I'll just drive straight into this tree, shall I, in utter sadness. Oh, I found a space. That was hard, wasn't it?
And here we have white van man parked on a bus stop, blocking the road, and everything grinds to a halt.
Lamborghini Aventador.
The Sunday Night Live. And join us for the car of the show later on this afternoon.
How nice is that? Classic Jaguar C-Type.
You're feeling horny?